Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining. It's Darnell, and I'm here with a new tutorial for your locks. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to do this two-strand twist using all of my locks, and it's going to be on my left side because I just like the way my hair lays on that side best. So I will be starting out on freshly washed hair. I just washed it last night and I just sealed in the moisture with a little bit of my oil. So now it's time to style these locks. So what I'm going to use is just a little bit of water, plain tap water. And I'm just going to use this just to kind of like loosen up the hair just a little bit and make it a little bit more pliable before I put it in this style. Don't worry, we will tackle these little baby hairs after we're done with the twist. Yes, Asher. Mommy's right here. Hi.
The paint colors.
The colors. What colors?
Cars.
Cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sun.
Oh.
I can go with them.
Yeah, but you have a lot of cars already, so you didn't need to get any more of them. Okay? You have cars, right? Yes. Okay, so now that you've brought all of your locks to one side, grab two small sections and twist them. And then grab locks to add to each of those sections and then twist again. Grab more hair to each section and twist again, and continue to do this just like you would your normal two-strand flat twist. And one tip to give you guys that will greatly help you to get through this is to actually make sure you grab your locks tight so that you can get them twisted around each other, because once you let the long twist go at the end, it will loosen up, or not unravel, but it will loosen up quite a bit. So you do want to install this twist relatively tightly. And then you can just secure it at the bottom with a little hair tie or scrunchie or rubber band. I know you're worried about those little locks that are popping out. Don't worry, we'll take care of those once we get this twist secured. Now that the twist is secure and I'm happy with it for the most part, I then proceed to tuck in all of those little ends of locks that are popping out. Another tip is to make sure your hair is damp when you do this. So I believe if my hair was a little bit more saturated with water, it wouldn't have given me such a hard time to twist and to tuck those little ends away. Okay, so now that the twist is in, now it's time to tackle those baby hairs. So I just, oops, sprayed my own face. So now I just spray the baby hairs or the edges of my hairline, and then I just proceed to twirl small pieces of that hair around my finger to create a curl. It's up to you if you would like to do this. You can retwist that front row of your locks before installing this jumbo twist if you like. You can also use hair gel, edge control, whatever you use to lay down your edges if that's what you do. I, for the most part, don't do that, so that's why I'm just doing this. Asher was trying to talk to me while he was watching his movie. So just so you guys are aware, this was my third time trying to install this jumbo twist. I was having such a hard time initially, and I think it was really because my hair was not damp enough. I did notice that once I sprayed my hair a little bit more, I was able to get the hair to cooperate. And also, once I changed how loose I was grabbing the sections of hair, I noticed once I started to do the twist tightly, that's when I was able to actually finish the twist. Hopefully you guys don't run into those issues, but just in case you do, those little tips should help you to get through this and to get to the finish line for this style. So as you guys can see, my jumbo twist looks so thick and so luscious. I just love how it looks. It's great because all of my locks are pretty much out of my way, and I can just proceed to do whatever it is that I have to do. So that's the back of my hair. And now here's the front. So I'm just going to jazz the style up a little bit by adding this ear cuff. I believe I purchased this ear cuff from Urban Outfitters years ago, like almost 10 years ago. And yes, I do still have it because I just think it's so awesome. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I struggled a little bit with putting this two-strand twist in. I'm not sure what's going on with my ends and why my locks are acting so weird. Maybe because they're super clean, I don't know. But you can feel free to try this style on the other side, or you can also try it as a cornrow with 3 pieces instead of just the 2 pieces like I used. Either way, it's a cute style to do when you just want something different, you know, instead of a regular ponytail or a bun. You can easily do something like this, and you can also jazz it up with a little ear cuff or some really cute earrings like I did. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. I thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.